Back in 2006, Ding Dong gave us his breakout hit with Badman Fawud, Badman Pull Up, a song that definitely changed the music game. Let's hear the backstory behind that track in our FiWi Culture segment.
So we sing, say, Badman Fawud, Badman Pull Up, Badman Fawud, Badman Pull Up.
Oh, Badman Fawud came out now. It's like everybody did stop on Willie Bunks. Me just come up now as a youth in the streets where people are look on now and I say, all right, Ray, I say, I have to go build a dance. So I say, I want to build something where not people forget about Willie Bunks, but people want change now. People want to do something different, but because nothing else not there for do, it can't do. So I start off with the movement first in a Nannyville. Start off with the movement then with my peers and my brethren them. And then we did do an England tour. And that's when we fully developed the dance over England.
Rap and pop off with the Badman Pull Up, Badman Fawud, Badman Pull Up. I do from Nannyville, I do the Badman Pull Up.
And Ricky Blaze called me and said, yo, man, I have a rhythm. Rhythm bad. The only thing me hear upon it is Badman Fawud. And I say, what? I say, all right, when I come up, we make the link. In a Future Vibes record store. And Ricky Blaze say, yo, see the rhythm here? Badman Fawud me hear upon it then. And because me so anxious, because I want to look there in terms of create a dance now where people will gravitate to me. Say, all right, Ricky, the people them like the dance, come. We go through at the same time. Badman Fawud the record in like about 15 or probably 14, 15 minutes. Zine? And when we do it straight. Straight. It never, no endings never double, no bridge, no nothing at all, straight. The engineer were there, I chop it up and fix it. So we say, yo, how much you do this? He say, yo, just give me $40, man. Take this song, come out of my studio, man. And just give it. The song we hear today, Badman Fawud, it don't mix or master or nothing. It's just the raw song that come out of the studio.
The whole of Brooklyn, I do the Badman Pull Up. New York, I do the Badman Pull Up.
I call Mataran and I say, Magic, boss, I have a dance in it named Badman Fawud, Badman Pull Up. And him say, no, cut the name, it's too long. And I say, Magic, I nah cut no name. Everybody ever say it. And him say, all right, my son, anything I say. We go to one party named Chaka Chaka. I remember like the first time it ever played in our party. Chaka Chaka. And to it lift up the club, they said Future Vibes, say, all right, here we are going to do. We have to go work this a Jamaican area. I'm just come straight to Jamaica with the song. First time it played in our party was by my can and I test it out, day rave, and then ready play it, and the same night it played on a Passa Passa, and it played on a Passa Passa. Jeez! About 50 times. Atomize Liquor Rich, everybody.
Lady Must Grave Massive, big up on yourselves. But that's how we close the curtains on this week's episode of Pree Dis Show. Again, I'm your host Naldo Addy, and I was joined by your boy Dre. But before we go, Dre, what was your highlight from today, fam?
Definitely that bad, psychic, quick fire session was so entertaining now though.
And I totally agree. But see you guys next week. Don't cry, we'll be back. Big up on yourselves, stay safe, and go and enjoy the look of cool weather, no man. Alright? Big up on yourself.